NASA technicians have officially begun the development phase of the ATLO assembly, testing and startup operations in the agency's next Mars rover, keeping the project on track for a launch planned for 2020. The Mars 2020 rover is joining the High Bay 1 spacecraft assembly facility at NASA's JPL Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. There, technicians are working on the descent stage of the rover, a sky crane powered by rockets that will lower the rover to the planet's surface, according to NASA. This aerial crane system also dropped the Curiosity rover of the agency on the Martian surface in August 2012. Inside sky crane landing of huge Mars rover. The engineers and technicians will work on the 2020 rover over the next year and a half, and eventually add subsystems such as avionics, energy, telecommunications, thermal systems and navigation. In general, they will have to build the rover itself, as well as its cruising, aeroshell and descent stage. The propulsion systems were installed earlier this year in the cruise and descent stage, NASA officials said. NASA hopes to be working on the rover itself for this fall, Gruel said. The 2020 mission will be based on prior knowledge of NASA's Curiosity rover and other missions of the Mars exploration program.